Okay, so here we have a headphone stand holder. This is a 2-pack. Really, really good high quality, by the way. Let me just open it up and show you. This is the pieces. One is white, one is black. Let me put it on the side really quick. And as you see, I have quite a few units of headphones. But before we get to that, let me unpack them so we see them. Okay, so they are actually one of the nicest design I've seen so far, because unlike some other ones that I've had before that you have to screw and unscrew or unlatch, they're spring loaded. The part that goes to the desk is spring loaded, so you open and close like that. Has two little nice rubbers, one in here and one in the other side, so it will not slide, and you can swivel it 360 degrees. However, so if you have the desk on this side, you can put them and hang the headphones here, and you can just slip it inside like that if you wish so too. I'll demonstrate those two positions really quick in a second, but first let me show you why I actually need something like these seriously. I have only selected a few different styles of headphones that I have here. Of course, I have more than these, but for example, some of these headphones, this is quite heavy. These are the Crusher Evo, and as you see, they fit perfect. And if need be, yeah, you can fit even two. And this holder will hold as long as you want. And yes, I have headphones. I have more headphones. I have more headphones, more headphones, more headphones. Yeah, looks like a hoarder, but it's not. It's just a lot of different styles of sound. And what I wanted to show you with all of these is, for example, let's say you have one of these very wide headphones that most of the headphone holders or hangers are not going to accommodate. But how about this one? So these are studio headphones, the big open ones. And usually I have a problem hanging them anywhere. But now with this stand, look at that. Let me put them on the wide one so you can see better. That's just this easy. So finally, I can hang these headphones just like the other ones. Because of course, the smaller ones are much easier. Or even the gaming ones. These ones here fit just perfect. And actually, this one goes really good. So let me put it on a desk and show you how they actually look in real life. So let's say this is your corner. Actually, that's where I'm going to put my headphones, because this is my right side, and the other side I have my other computers. But here is where I could store my headphones in a perfect way, because as you see, they actually go in really sturdy. And let's say I have this pair of headphones and this pair of headphones that I want to put somewhere. And that somewhere would be right here. And look at the beauty of it, alright? When I'm done with them, I can just turn this around, boom, and I take zero space in the front. And the same goes for the other headphones. For example, my studio headphones, that I could no longer put them anywhere else, but now I can put them here. And just spin it around. And look, I have all this space now in front of here. And when I need the headphones, literally just grab this, take the headphones that I want, whichever I want, and put the other one back in. Isn't that beautiful? Just these two little clamps. Really nice quality, and with the headphones with wire, if you wish so, you can actually route the wire through here, as you see. I'm not gonna do it, but if you want to, it has a little holder here for the wire, so the wire can go through, put it to your laptop or computer, so actually it organizes the wire too. And as you see, boom, just turn it around. Thank you guys for sending them to me. I really appreciate that. These are seriously beautifully designed. I really like them. Really easy to use. The swivel works so easy, all 360 degrees, and as you see, it just fits so perfect. That is really a genius design, and you can take the headphones you want and leave the ones you don't and just put them back in where they were. And I mean, I'm gonna use this almost like a fidget spinner from now on, but hey, it looks good to me. And just throw the other headphones when you're done. Boom. Just like that. And it saves you desk space in front of you, because now the front desk here is actually flat. And it looks really, really good I really love it, and yes, they sent these 2 for free to me, but now I see the potential of me actually going back and buying a few more, because I really like them, and I know places where I can put these, so I don't need to hang headphones or throw headphones in drawers. I can just put headphones like an actual human being on a headphone holder. This is beautiful. Again, I really love them. They're really beautifully made, really nice quality, and really nice swivel. And yes, they fit even the huge studio headphones. These are actually huge. And they fit them no problem. Wow, really, really beautiful. I highly suggest them.